Alright, so for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my Palace pickups from the last drop. So I ordered them last Friday, and that was the last drop for Palace this season, so had to get something before it ended, because I'm a really big fan of Palace, and I've never bought something from there before. But now that I got the two pieces that I have in hand, I definitely like Palace more than Supreme. So right now, my two favorite brands are Kith and Palace, so really happy to get these in. So I'm excited to show you guys, but before I show you guys, make sure to leave a like down below on this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and let's get right into it. Alright, so first from my Palace order, it just came with this little white sticker. It's hard to see the detail, but it's like the logo, but it's just all white, so it's kind of hard to see on camera. But that's pretty cool. It's not as cool as like the Supreme stickers you get, but I think you have to buy the packs of Palace stickers that they sell, so maybe I'll have to do that next season. I didn't realize that's how that works, so maybe next season I'll be able to pick up a sticker pack, because Palace has some really cool designs and the stickers are cool as well, so hopefully next season I'll be able to get one of those. So I ordered two things, as you can tell by the thumbnail and right now. So I'm going to start with the smaller thing first. So here's the bag it came in. So these are probably going to both be personals, but I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'll sell them if I can, but I pretty much bought these for personal because they're so sick. So here's the first thing. It's a pair of shorts. And they're like swimsuit material. I'll zoom out so you can see. So here they are. I think they look super sick. It says Palace, I think, on one of the legs. Yeah, here it is. It says Palace on the right leg. And then it's in this black and gray colorway. And then I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but this part has like little dots on them, and they're like blue, I think. So this is a super sick piece. I'll be wearing these a lot this summer. I'm really happy to get these. These were actually kind of expensive. They're like $110. So that's super expensive for shorts, but they're so sick. So I just had to pull the trigger on them. So that's the first thing I got. So really excited to get these for personal. So now the next thing I'm going to show you guys is the bigger thing. And it's the same colorway as the shorts, but I will not be wearing them together because that'd look really weird in my opinion. You can probably tell what this is just because of how big it is. So I'll take it out of the bag. So after unfolding it, here it is. It's the Windbreaker in like the same colorway. I think this looks so sick. I tried it on and it just looks so good. Has the tag on it, and then on the front it says Palace running down. I don't know, this is hard to do. So it says Palace running down. That looks really cool in my opinion. And then on the back it has like the triangle logo, the trifrig, I think that's what they call it, in like a gray. It's like a gradient, so I think that looks really sick. It's not too noticeable, so that's what I like. I don't want like something super flashy. I just want it to be like low-key. So Palace also, and then the sleeves also have the dotted pattern. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but that's what it is on the sleeves. And I did order this true to size, and it does fit true to size, so if you want one, make sure to get true to size. That's how these fit. And then it has the tags, which are pretty cool. So super excited to get this in. I'll be wearing this a lot this summer too, but probably not when it's sunny out, just because it's black, and black like attracts heat, so it'll be really hot. But this is definitely a really nice personal piece in my opinion. This is definitely my favorite jacket in my collection now that I have it. So the only other jackets I have are like an H&M one and a Nike like Windbreaker, the one that everybody has, so I don't really have too good of a Windbreaker collection right now. But hopefully during the summer I'll be able to pick up more pieces. So just overall, just a really nice mail day in my opinion. Really happy with both the pickups. I'll definitely be keeping them both for personal. So that's just pretty much all for today's video. I just wanted to show you guys my pickups from Palace. So next season I'll definitely be picking up more stuff. I want to get one of the like the trifrig shirts with the triangle. I tried to get the like Apple logo one, but it was the same day as the Kith Russell drop, and I decided to get the Kith Russell stuff instead. So, but it worked out in the end because I made like $40 profit on the Kith Russell stuff. So that's all for today's video. Just a quick video showing you guys my two Palace pickups that I'll probably keep for personal, so I can't wait to wear them. Make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.